Hello and welcome everyone to this video where basically I will be showing you how to activate your margin trading or the MTF account over our Ant web platform. MTF is basically a facility that allows you to buy more stocks than you can afford with your available cash by borrowing funds from your broker. So here the broker is Alice Blue. Now to activate your margin trading facility, once you successfully log in to our Ant web portal, just go to this app section here, and here you will see a bot section here. Just click over that. So once you click that bot, you will be redirected to our another page, that is this particular dashboard that you can see here. Right now here, just go to this profile, and under your profile go to margin trading or the MTF section. So once you click that, you will be redirected to another page that says margin trading facility. The first thing that you'll see here is the margin trading funding terms and conditions. So I would suggest you to read the complete terms and conditions from start to the end. And then when you accept those terms and conditions that all mentioned here, then only you check this particular box that I acknowledge that I have read and I do hereby accept the terms and conditions mentioned above. In these particular terms and conditions, I want to highlight few of the points. That is, the first one, the leveraged positions that you will take can be carry forwarded for up to 365 days. Secondly, the initial margin amount can only be in the form of cash. And thirdly, only POA and DDPI clients are eligible to get the MTF facility. So now here, if you scroll a little bit down here, you will see a list of approved securities. So just click on this particular link and you will be redirected to our main page here. Go under tools and you will see a section called pledge and MTF list. So just click over that. And once you click that, you will be redirected to an Excel sheet where you will be able to see our list of all approved securities. So that complete list you can get in this particular Excel sheet. Now coming back here, you read all the terms and conditions. Just check this particular box. I acknowledge that I have read and I do hereby accept the terms and conditions mentioned above. Only if you check this particular box, you will able to submit here, and once you submit that, your margin trading facility will be activated over our Ant web trading platform.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.